Hey, I'm Cesar. Today we want to go step by step so you can see how you can create a shop or how you can create a form to calculate pricing and get paid and other options about payments. The idea is to explain as clearly as possible how you can use payments and how you can use the widget together, or not. There are different options for you to choose. Let's go step by step. Okay, and the example the user was asking is about a flower shop. So this will be my flower shop. And so here I want to give you the best flowers in town. Okay, that's good. So we click save. Obviously we can add more things, but there is no need right now to do it. Okay. I put my phone number. Okay, this is my agent. It's called demo. That's okay. And now let's do a form. Let's do a form for users, to buy to order some flowers. Okay. Let's say you have name, you have email, you have the WhatsApp number. That's good. And now let's add some options to place the order. So what type of flowers do you want? And we can put here drop down with price. Okay, that's the option. We can put as a button, can multiply, for example, and you can say roses, margarita, I don't know, bonsai, and you can say minimum, let's say 12, maximum 36, margarita 12, 36, or maybe this is, I don't know, 4, and the price is 20, the margaritas are 10, and bonsai is 100, minimum 1, maximum, I don't know, 40 or no 4. No, that I think that makes sense. I mean, you can do something like this, okay? And you can show price. Okay. So this will be the form. So users can ask for, I want roses, I want margaritas, I want bonsai, and I can say how many I want. So you can add as many options with pricing as you want. Okay, the option is drop down with price. That's the option you need to choose to add items with price in the widget. And now let's go to payments, and we need to create a dynamic product. So let's put a order for flowers, and it's going to be dynamic. Okay, that means the price is going to be calculated in the widget and it's going to be sent to the checkout page we create here. Let's say it's US dollar. Confirm your order. Pay and confirm your order. Thank you. We use a Stripe and we can ask for name and phone number. Okay, we click save. So we have created this dynamic checkout for this widget. Okay, you can create different checkouts for different widgets. Okay, that's the same. That's something you can configure as you want. So let's go back to the widget, my flower shop. We go to the agent, we go to the form, and we link, we use this option and order for flowers. Okay, and we put here something like confirm and pay. Okay, now we are going to do a test so you can see everything working. Let's go to the landing page. Let's go here. So you can see the flow as it is. No, so we put here Cesar info at chat with. This is my phone number. I choose roses. I want 1, and I want this order by 23rd. Okay, and I need to choose 4. This is the minimum. Okay, and I click. So what happens? Why is 80? Because it's 4 times 20. So I need to pay $80 to confirm this order. So I will put here my credit card information. I will pay, and this will be my order 100% complete, and I have this 100% done. This logo can be configured in your account. Let's go to your account. Let's go to white label, and here we can change the logo. This one, I click save. Okay, nice there. Let's go back to payments. Okay, now we have the logo, and this is the checkout. So you can customize the checkout for your clients. But this one is a dynamic checkout. This is something that is connected to the widget, so you can send the values for the payments to the checkout. Okay, so this is not something we have created. It's something that belongs to the widget, and the widget is going to send the values for the order to the checkout. But you can create a static order. No, let's say 12 roses, price 100 US dollar. Description 12 roses, something. You can put the image, you can put a photo, we use this one, and I use the stripe, I use the name, phone number, and that's it. So in this case, this is a fixed checkout for this item at this price, and it's fixed. So there are no options, you know. This link, I can share it with my customers on a conversation, on my website, anywhere, okay? This is a you know, a beautiful checkout for you to use as you want, okay? It's not linked to the widget. You can link to the widget, but this one is a fixed item that with a fixed price, okay? And there is another option, and is to show in shop, okay? What that means? What is the shop? The shop is here. We can activate the shop, and we can put here flowers for you if it's done. Yes. Okay. So now I have only the items I want, you know, for users to buy. So they can click buy, they see the checkout, and they can buy the product. You can add more content, you can add a YouTube video, you can add images. So this is for you to create the checkout. So checkout, I think is clear. Payments, I think is clear. You have two types of elements, dynamic and fixed. You can use dynamic to use with the widget, because the widget is going to calculate the price and is going to send the user to the checkout. Or you can use fixed elements, and you can, you know, use it in the widget, or you know, as a link for you to share. And that's it. That's everything you can do with pricing. I think is, you know, is good enough to make something simple, easy, you know, for your clients to use. Okay. Thank you. Bye bye.